Hello, this is Aria from Hugin TV. In this video, we will take a look at the usage and details of Leap Desktop Wallet. Click the Get Leap button and choose your browser. Add to browser and add extension. Create a new wallet, copy the mnemonic seed phrase, and save it in a secure place. Fill in the relevant words and confirm. Create a strong password and proceed. Pin Leap extension to the browser and click the Launch Extension button. You can use the wallet from this page, but I will close this tab and use it from the extension. First, we will need to fund our wallet. You can copy the Atom address in 3 ways. Send some atoms to the address you copied. To send transactions, click the Send button, fill in or paste the address you want to transfer funds to, type the amount, review transfer, and click Send. Click the IBC icon. Here you can send assets between IBC-enabled Cosmos chains. I will send my atoms to the Osmosis chain. Here I choose the Osmosis chain. Type in the amount of atom I want to transfer. Click Review Transfer, and then Send. I will switch to the Osmosis chain and verify that my funds have arrived. As you can see, the atom I have sent is now on the Osmosis chain. Now let's check the bridge function. Here you can see a list of blockchains that you can bridge from or bridge to. In order to use the bridge, you need to connect your wallet first. Let's take a look at the swap function. I change the top currency to what I want to pay with and the below box to what I want to buy. In this case, I will pay with Atom and buy some flicks. Then we click Review, Proceed, and approve the transaction. We click Done button and our swap is complete. I close this tab and open the wallet again. We will take a look at the bottom menus. Let's check the Stake tab. I click the Stake button, choose a validator, enter the amount of atom I want to stake, then click the Stake Atom button. Now that we have some atoms staked, we can participate in governance. In the Governance tab, you can view active proposals and vote. Below, you can check the details of the proposal. This one here is a scam proposal, so I am voting no with veto. If the majority of the votes are no with veto, the atom deposited for opening the proposal will be lost. The Earn tab shows you a list of available DeFi pools and strategies. Clicking on any of them will take you to the related dApp. In the Activity tab, you can review your wallet activity. If you want to see a longer list, you can click on Check More, which will take you to the Mint Scan activity page for your wallet. In the upper left menu, if you click Expand View, you can use the wallet in browser page mode. Here, you can also change the displayed currency, change network, swap between light and dark themes, change the endpoints for blockchains, and enable or disable hiding small balances. In the Security section, you can sync your wallet with the mobile app. In Security, you can hide your balance, change the auto-lock timer for your wallet. You can manage the websites you have connected to and remove any connections. Manage Authorizations lets you manage the permissions you gave to dApps and revoke any permissions you have granted. Show Recovery Phrase option. lets you see the seed phrase for your wallet. Export private key option lets you export the 64 hexadecimal private key for your wallet. And Lock Wallet locks the wallet as the name suggests. Lastly, you can view and manage your NFTs across multiple chains through this tab. That wraps up this tutorial. If you enjoyed our content, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. We look forward to sharing more insights with you in our next video. Until then, stay curious and stay decentralized.